In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap Alerts. Bookmap differs from price-only platforms. It centers on order flow and liquidity. Alerts here come from traded volume, imbalance, and indicator signals rather than price crosses. You can build custom alerts with indicators or the API, but today we'll set up the simple, reliable sound cues you can use immediately. Open a Bookmap chart and load the instrument you want to trade, whether a major crypto pair or a futures symbol like ES or NQ. Keep one instrument per chart at first so the audio patterns are clear and you can link what you hear to what you see. Enable the essentials. Turn on volume bubbles to show where trades are actually hitting, and enable the order book, often called the DOM or heat map, to visualize resting liquidity across price levels. These layers give context to every alert, tying a sound to real order flow on the screen. Activate sound notifications. Go to File, select Alerts, and open Configure Alerts. In the Notifications tab, turn on sound alerts by clicking the volume icon. Choose a tone you can distinguish under stress and set a comfortable level. You can also keep a visual pop-up on for confirmation while you learn the patterns. Open the settings for the sweeps indicator using the gear icon. Check the alert types you want for this instrument, typically sound and pop-up, and Telegram if you already route trade notifications there. The sweeps logic flags moments when aggressive orders move quickly through the book, creating imbalance. That's when audio cues are most informative. From here, you'll hear tapping accelerate when buying or selling pressure increases. Many traders describe the sound speeding up as imbalance builds, which helps you feel momentum in real time. This is especially useful for momentum trades and quick scalps where seconds matter. Use the Test Alert button to confirm it's working, then watch price, bubbles, and the book together so every sound has clear visual context. That's the basic setup. With alerts mapped to order flow, you'll build an intuitive read on pressure without staring at every tick. Once you're comfortable, you can refine thresholds or explore custom logic. But this foundation is enough to benefit from Bookmap's audio feedback today.